In this video I will show you how to print images or documents from Android devices. In order to print in older versions of Android, you had to install Google Cloud Service. Android has improved a lot in recent versions in regards to printing, so newer versions of Android have default printing service already installed. If that service cannot find your printer, or you want more control over printing options, you can install print service from manufacturer of your printer. So, let's see how you can print. First, go to Settings. Now click on Bluetooth and Device Connection. Now click on Printing. Here you can enable default print service or you can add new print service. Let's first enable default print service. Click on it and enable it. Now wait until your printer is found. If your printer is not found, you can add new print service. Click on Add Service. Android will list all available print services. Find one from your manufacturer and install it. It will now be listed under Print Services. So, how to actually print? Some apps will let you print directly from their user interface. So, open an app and usually in the three dots menu you will find option to print. If this is not available, you can try sharing to printer. Here's a bonus tip. How to print a text document. If you have an app like Word, you can open it in such app and print from there. But by default Word and similar apps are not installed, so in such case you can use Chrome browser. Just open File in Chrome. Then click on Share, and find icon for printing. There you will be able to print your document. That's all for this tutorial. Please give a like and subscribe for new helpful tips and tutorials.